Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that tanx, that is about sin x over cosine x. Next, we simplify cosine x, so we have sin x. The integration of sin x, we have negative cosine x, and we put about c. Next, cotangx x, we change for cosine x over sin x. Next, we simplify sin x, so we have cosine x. The integration of cosine x, we have sin x plus c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.